So this is VecML Demo App. So first, let's turn off the Wi-Fi. Now there's no Wi-Fi. And so this is the local large language model, and we can ask questions. For example, what's the average housing price in Bellevue, Washington?
As of 2021, the average housing.
What about Seattle? So this is a local large language model. And in order to more effectively using large language models on the phone, we need to take advantage of the data available on the phone, which includes photos and files. So let's take a look at the photos. So we can search for local photos on the phone, like Starbucks. So we get a lot of pictures about Starbucks. And we search Blue Angels. They come to Washington State every summer. What else we would like to search for? Golden Gate Bridge, Viking. Okay. Now let's look at the files. So there are lots of files on the phones. So here we automatically generates all the processor files for the PDF files, Word documents, images, etc. And now we can search for what I like to search for. For example, let's search for Charlie Mungo. And we can see that the buffet letters contains the word Charlie Mungo. And let's search for federated learning. Okay, so those are the two papers that is about federated learning. So what is this paper about? So this is a NeurIPS paper in 2022. My co-author and I wrote about FedProx. Okay, so now how do we combine the local files with the local large language models? We can do something like a RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. So now let's chat with the files. If we're lazy, let's just search for everything, all the files. So we selected all the files, and I want to know something about FedProx, the federated learning algorithm. Tell me about FedProx. It's a simple question, but the prompt is fairly long. So prompt is the text that is input to the large language model. All right, so we get a pretty good answer. So this is the demo app. And now suppose we want to see, suppose we reset everything. Now what do we do? So the app is generating all the embedding informations for the files and for the photos. For example, it's very quickly generating embeddings for the photos and also generating embeddings for the files. So I should mention that we are now experts of NPUs, but for this demo app, we did not put the NPU version in it. So we can expect like a 3 to 10 times faster next time if we see the NPU version. Thank you all.